Okay, I'm going to keep this one really short because there's really no special customization going on with this, which is what I normally like to focus on. This is really just to showcase a car that's in my collection. And it's one of the ones that maybe I wasn't so crazy about how it came out. The paint was probably laid a little too thin, so I'm not really able to properly wet sand a lot of the areas. But you know, it's good enough. I was never great at painting the bodies. For me, I mean, painting a clear polycarbonate body was like, you know, it was really like a miracle in a sense because I didn't have to worry about the clear coat. And then it come to realize that there was a lot of problems associated with clear bodies as well that you had to look out for. So, but I won't go into all that here. I just wanted to quickly show this. I did have a subscriber ask me some details about this Bruiser that I've had for a long time. So I just figured I would post up. It'd be easier than describing anything about it in the comment. So that about wraps it up. The only thing I would caution anybody, if I can give advice, I will. With this particular car, I restored it somewhere around, I want to say 2001. And the problem that I had encountered was usually over here it says Toyota, I believe, and I was a little bit too overzealous with the brake fluid and trying to remove the paint, and kind of disfigured, I would say, in a sense, the badge that was molded in over there, so that had to be sanded off completely. And that's really only the worst part of it, pretty much. There's some other little small things that went wrong during the restoration of this one, but I've had it for a really long time. So anyway, figured I'd show you, share it. You know, if you have any questions or comments or anything, I always like to check the comments and see. The social aspect is you know, something enjoyable. All right, take care.